Welcome back to the forest. Welcome back to my little retreat. Our little retreat, I think it is at this point. There's over 100 of us now that come and hang out by the fire, which is lovely. Many of you who were here last night or in the last cook-up, I don't know how long the delay between the videos will be, you'll notice I did leave the tarpaulin up, and that's because I think I heard a few little pitter-patters. I think it's going to start raining fairly imminently. But there's still a load of work that I want to get done over the next couple of days in the woodland, namely the dugout log store that I've started rebuilding. But before we do that, I'm going to need to fuel that mission. So I'm going to get the fire on the go, have a nice warm, dry spot that we can come back to when we need a reprieve from the weather. And well, most importantly, let's get breakfast on the go, shall we? Yeah, let's do that. I put some green on my plate just in case my wife watches this video. She'll know that, you know, I am eating some healthy food. Mm. Oh, lovely. Sausage, bacon, egg, runny yolk, and a little bit of cheese. Cheese was kind of an afterthought actually, but oh wow. Hank's just there eyeing it up. Don't worry, he's not getting any of this. I have cooked him a couple of sausages though. I'm not completely heartless, am I, me? So what we have here is basically a woodland double sausage and egg with cheese and bacon McMuffin. Hank, he's literally just out of shot, like shaking with anticipation. Good man, I haven't forgotten about you wearing sausage. It's the same sausage as I've got. Jeez Louise, mate, you inhaled that. And then some McMuffin for me. Here you go. There you go. There you go. That was so good. A little bit of wood just spat really loudly in the fire, probably a bit of pine. And Hank doesn't like fireworks or anything like that, and so it caught him by surprise and he jumped out of his skin and bolted. Anyway, I was trying to coax him back with a couple of sausages that I cooked for him, but normally any bit of food that you dangle and boom, he's there like your shadow, but he was a bit scared. Anyway, now that I'm finishing this off, all of a sudden he's just appeared like a little spirit animal, haven't you? You really want some the old sausage and egg McMuffin, but mate, it's really bad for you, and that's my last piece. It's my last. Mummy will go nuts if she sees you eating this. She never watches my videos anyway, does she? So we'll probably be all right. You promise you won't tell? Come on in. Come on in. Oh, that's your one and only bit. Enjoy it. Enjoy it. Just inhaled it, basically. Right, well, that's fueled me, ready to crack on with the log store. I am filming it, by the way, and I've sort of peppered in bits and pieces in videos here and there. I'm probably going to just do a dedicated video for that. So if any of you are interested in how I built it, why I built it the way I did, then I'll pop a video up from start to finish in the next couple of weeks, probably. So if you haven't done so already, hit the subscribe button and it will appear in front of your timeline, I suppose, at some point. And if you are one of the 100 plus that are already subscribed, then legends. Anyway, hope you enjoyed starting the day with me and grabbing some breakfast. And yeah, plenty more to come. Thanks for hanging out. See you guys later.